Hi, I'm Damien from LeakDtech, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about industrial property leaks. Industrial water leaks can have a huge impact on a company's manufacturing and production processes, as well as creating a threat to the surrounding buildings, neighbouring organisations, the local town and wider region if left unaddressed. The costs incurred as a result of water damage and the associated secondary costs can stack up quickly, usually due to the large amount of water involved. However, fortunately, LeakDtech's experience can assist. Within the industrial sector, LeakDtech normally assists customers with fire lines, district cooling lines and underground water lines, all of which normally span several hundred meters, sometimes up to tens of kilometers, with many of these lines normally being located underground. Water distribution lines in particular require constant inspection and monitoring to ensure the negative effects of water leaks are minimized. At LeakDtech, we specialize in fire lines, district cooling lines, and utility water lines. Click on the link below to read more about the industrial leak service LeakDtech can offer you. Thank you.